This is my super fancily, totally professional mechanical solar system model I drew in CAD. Basically, one spin makes a bunch of the gears do different things at different speeds, kinda like mechanical magic. These metal rods, I got them from the art store. They're kinda like the VIPs of the project. They're smooth, precise, and apparently made by a company that also works with Apple, Disney, Ford, Netflix, Warner Bros., and ILM. Yeah, I geeked out. They even make this oddly satisfying pop when you block one end and pull on the other end. Don't ask, just try it. Anyways, here's a video of me putting together a prototype. Disclaimer, it sucked. A lot. Half the gears didn't work, partly because I used some shiny filament that was also super hydrated, so the prints came out all wonky. Lesson learned. Anyways, thanks for watching the video, and also please subscribe because like only 1% of my peers actually subscribe, which is crazy. So yeah, see you in the next one.